Hala weche go maga wuothe county ma Kisumu bende koro to wacho gi dwol achiel ni gidhi bedo jombetre maga Lando Kuwe e kinde gi mag siasa. Johala go mag boda kod matatu kotelnegi kod jagoro mar riwruogo weg Matatu e Kisumu migosi Johand owacho ni Kuwe kende ema biro miyo johala dhi nyime gidongore kata mana bang' yiero madwe manyien. Ne giloso e kinde ma bende ne giyudo tiegruok kuom riwruok mano mar kanise mano mar NCCK bade manyanza mane otime chuny boma ma Kisumu ka kore sana ndege kod Dano Mondi mabende gin jotelo mag joriemba apiko e Kisumu County bende ojiwo jopiny kik bed kod luoro ni mar maendi en yiero mabende dhi timore e yor kwe maonge koko moro amora.
Yale ambao ningeweza kuhimiza kwa sasa kwa maneno ya uchaguzi na amani ni kuwa wenzetu tusiogope, kwa sababu sisi ni wanabiashara. Lazima biashara zetu ziendelee. Mara mingi tumewahi ona tukifunga biashara zetu kwa sababu ya ugomvi ama kelele inatokea, fujo inatokea hapa na pale. Ningependa kuhimiza watu wetu wa Kisumu County, watu wa matatu, watu wa bodaboda, hata passengers wetu, tuwe na amani, tuwe watulivu wakati wa uchaguzi na tuendelee na kazi zetu kama kawaida.
Within the Matatu sector, we have decided to tell the people that we are going to do an election which is going to be done in the country, and what we are preaching today is peace, that we are going to have an election which is going to be done peacefully. In conjunction today, we have the NCCK, which is leading this this program, and already we have talked to our people that like previous elections that we have seen some chaos here and there, this time around we are not going to have a chaotic election, and we have actually preaching to them and we are talking to them that this election this time around is going to be a unique kind of election that we are going to have around with the Matatu sector. So we are today talking with our people within the Kisumu County at large that peace is the most important thing. Normally peace starts from the house. When you have peace in the house, then you have peace wherever you go. Without peace, you cannot do business. Whatever the kind of business that we are doing, we cannot do the business without peace. So with peace, our business will prevail and we'll have more business to do.
Nafikiria sisi kama hii mkutano was all about the boda and the matatu. Na the main theme of this meeting was about peace, because as far as we are concerned, we are peace ambassadors, and we are mandated as leaders to go back to the ground and to discuss with our members and the community at large about the importance of peace. We know the election is around the corner. It is only 19 days to go. And we are hoping that sisi kama watu wa Kenya na Kisumu, before election, during election and after election, tukuwe na peace.
Being ambassador of peace, it means wherever you are, one thing that you're going